back to my channel, and if you are new, then welcome. Today we are going to be installing this frontal wig, so if you would love to see how I achieve this look, then keep on watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye, my loves. I'm going to go on with my Nairobi mousse, and I'm just going to put this all over the frontal and hot comb it back so we can get it ready and prepped, which will make it to be easier to install. Alright, so I definitely need to slick these edges back. They are all over the place. So, yeah, I have braids under here. It's a little mini afro. I'm going to just take my Shiny Jam and slick that back. You do not want this in the way. I did oil my scalp, so okay. I thought it wasn't going to lay down as good because my edges are kind of oily right now. Now I'm just going to take my beige stocking cap. Just want to cut out your ears. I'm just going to take my ring. Now I'm gonna go ahead and just cut this off. And then it's just like some excess in the back. I'm just gonna tie that. Whew. So you wanna make sure this is like completely dry before you start cutting, because it can like start to not stick over here, which just happened to me. I'm going to take my foundation and I'm going to take Lancome, and this is a 460. And then I'm going to just start by buffing it all across the front. All right. I'm just going to clean off my forehead with some alcohol. So I'm just going to take my bold hole glue. I'm just gonna put that right on the edge of this stocking cap here, like on it and on the edge. And I'm just taking a Q-tip to spread that. Y'all, I am not figure straight. I was supposed to put the wig on just to make sure it is where I want it to be. This is the wig, 24 inches. It has 2 hooks, and I'm just going to link them together. You just want to make sure you put a nice amount around these sideburns. The queen. Now it is dry. And I'm just gonna make sure this is lined up. And now I'm gonna go and find my part. I'm gonna take this Fructis serum. I really need to get this She BioSilk one, but this is gonna have to do. I swear everything just gets legs and walks away from me. Just taking my wide tooth comb, and we're just gonna comb this out. This long, luscious hair. And I just want to go in and map out my part. Just gonna go and define this part. Alright, so now I know how to flat iron this. Just put some mousse over here. So I want to go for a side part, of course. I've been wearing straight parts for a minute, so I just want to switch it up. Just want to make sure to put a little mousse. And we are just about to flat iron this down, baby. I feel like I need some hotter flat irons, but
Ryan Little.
we are done flat ironing and it's looking so good. I'm just going to brush this back so we can do the baby hairs. I'm gonna spray it with my Eben spray. I'm gonna take this and just cut it like an angle. Baby hairs are trial and error, y'all. Just do your best until you feel like you're satisfied, because on my tail comb, I just go in. So I'm going to start wand curling my hair. And then when I get to the front, I'm gonna come back on camera. But this is how the hair looks now. And yeah, I just feel like wand curls are gonna be super cute. Oh, she's coming together. I just wanted like some little waves, like nothing crazy. Let's take off. See how this is looking in the front. Go in with my foundation brush and just touch up the edges right there. And it looks way more natural like that. This is the final look. I'm just gonna bring my hair forward so you can see. I love the side parts. I feel like a new girl. Who am I?